Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to create professional memes using a Mac computer and Adobe Photoshop. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the Mac computer and the software, which is Photoshop. We can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Adobe Photoshop itself, click on this, open up, and now we can click on create, name the project, how to make a meme, change the resolution to 3000 by 3000, click on OK, and now we can go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to Finder, navigate to downloads. I see a photo, I click, drag and drop, and now we can adjust the photo according to the resolution. So now that itself is done. Now we are ready to add the required text. So click on text, remove the auto-generated text itself, and I'll type in something for the moment. I'll just say hello. Increase the size of the text. And I'll change the text to whatever you require. Capitals. Now we can go to blending options, right click, blending options, outer glow. And now we have officially changed the text to what we require to make the meme. So click on OK. Go to technology in 2020, right click, copy or duplicate the layer, yes, and now move the text to the bottom of the screen and change the text to whatever you require. So the caption is technology in 2020 still uses iPhone 6. Now we can go to File, Export, Quick Export as PNG, go to the desktop, save. We can also save the Adobe file itself, Command S, save to the desktop, minimize Photoshop for the moment, close Finder, and now we have the Photoshop file as well as the meme generated, created using Photoshop, and now we are ready to upload to our social media such as Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. Quick preview. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.